Hey little kids, today I will learn you how to draw a rainbow picture. I take a black art paper and now I am drawing a flower with white color pencil. Now I am drawing a big fish. You can draw as you like. So let's see how I make it rainbow color. I draw the picture and now I will color it with pastel color. You can take any kinds of color.
You put me through, I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Come to you.
How beautiful this is looking. You should also try this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Tata, bye bye.